Yeah, Globe Dental. I found Globe Dental by, I suppose by chance. A good friend of ours in Hungary lives upstairs, and he had a problem with his teeth, and he wanted to get some implants done. And at the time, my wife was having one or two problems, and we spoke to him, and he said, "Listen, I'm getting I think he said there is a deal, there is a special deal going on at the moment where you can get 5 implants put in, or you can get implants put in within 5 days." He said, "Never, never." Anyway, we decided to come and have a look at the clinic, and myself and my wife came down, and we had a look, and got straight into it. The doctor, Dr. Wiedemann, looked at my wife, checked out, done a few what they call them, photos, x-rays, and he said, "Yes, we can help you, we can do something for you within 5 days, and it started from there. She had it done, we left it for a few months, and then we started the treatment, and within 5 days she came across, when she got this certain teeth and so was took her out, and she had, I think it was 11 or 12 implants put in within 5 days. Very heavy, so it's a big job. Me personally, I wouldn't have done it, but she done it, and it worked, and she was very, very pleased, and not only that, the price was very, very good. But what I like most of all about Globe Dental, because I'm a patient myself, I've now had 2 implants and a bridge fixed, is the truthfulness. They don't, the best way to use is bullshit. They're straight to the point, and they say to you, "Look, we can do that, or we can't do that, or it's best you leave that, or go back to your dentist back in Germany and get him to sort the problem out." And that's what I thought very fair. And they're not just trying to make money, because there's been 1 or 2 occasions where they've said, "No, that will work out cheaper if you do it that way," or "You don't need to have certain treatments done. It works out cheaper, and it's better for you that way," and that's what I like very much about them. What I also like is I have a lot of faith now in the doctor. I deal with the same dentist all the time, like my wife. And another good thing as well is I find the staff, the front desk staff, very good. I'm the type of person, and my wife, we don't like every time we come to the clinic that somebody else is dealing with us. We don't like that. We have people that we build our trust into, and that's who we want to deal with. And that's what's good. We have Christina downstairs, very good. When we come in, most of the time she's on duty, and we know if there is a problem, we have to speak to Christina, because she knows us, she knows what we're about, what our problems are, and she deals with us properly, and she does a really good job. And that is why we are that we are. We don't want to come in every time Christina one day, and the next time we come we see a new face, and next time we come again see another face. No. When we come in, most of the time we deal straight with Christina. If we deal with one of the other girls, she said, "Good, I will pass it on to Christina for you." When she comes in, she can then call you guys back, whether we're in Germany or whether we're here, and that is really good. My doctor, Dr. Torre, he knows me, he understands me, straight with me, very straight with me, very fair, and he doesn't fool me or try to cover things up. He tells me what the problem is, where is that a problem, what he can do for me, and I like that. And that is why I have a lot of confidence in the clinic itself and in the people I deal with. So I find that very good. Another good lady is Eva. Lovely person. It's just amazing the amount of languages she speaks. But in general, I must say, Globe Dental, the staff, very, very good. You feel good with them when you come in. You feel confident if there's a problem, or if you're hanging around for a long time, because sometimes obviously you book an appointment for a certain time and you may have to wait because they're still dealing with one particular patient, and they won't rush. They don't rush it. If it's going to take a little bit longer, then they try and phone and let beforehand, say, "Mr. Brickman, come a little bit later, or half an hour later, it's going to take a little bit longer," And I like that very much, and that's going to keep going, One thing, I have one sort of thing that I'm not too happy about, is the boss of Globe Dental, the owners of Globe Dental, the big boss. I've seen him once, I think. He's a bit of a shy guy, but I always like, because I put a lot of money and spend a lot of money here in Globe Dental. I'm a patient, I'm here all the time, you know. It is just nice, one for him that when he has a patient that comes on a regular basis, and a good patient, like we are, a good customer, it's good to come and take the hand and say, Mr. Brilliant, are you happy? Any problems? That gives it that extra something, you know, and that's the only one thing I've got. But in general, very friendly, you know, and I will keep coming here. As long as I'm happy, I will keep coming here. And I will keep passing it on to other people. Because lots of people say to me, yeah, all the way to Hungary to get your teeth sorted out. Oh, because it's not so good. No, exactly the same in Belgium. The clinic, very good, very professional. The rooms, the operating rooms, very, very good. Very clean. And the people, young and dynamic. You know? So, I'm happy.